what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with my student. She's going to be running through the driving test one last time. She's been practicing. She's ready to pass her test, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm at a Broward County location, and as usual, I cannot say which one it is, but I'll show you, give you some examples of what the place looks like without saying what it is. You should know. Alright, so they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left.
What else do you do?
And then you put the car in park and you check the emergency brake and you turn off the car.
You pull up the emergency brake.
You pull up the emergency brake.
So now they're going to ask you to do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. So they're checking to make sure that the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, the horn's working. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working. Now they're going to ask you to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, all the way left until it stops. And they're going to be checking the front tire. Turn all the way right. They're going to be checking your tire. Straighten the car now, so 2 times to the middle. Okay, 2 times. That's 3 times. You went too much. Right there. Alright, so now they're going to come into the car and they're going to tell you to reverse and go to the left. So look behind you, roll straight back. In this case, you can go both ways, so you got to look both ways here, right? Look left, look right, look back. And when your mirror gets to the end of the line, like here, you stop, turn all the way right, turn right, and look behind you and continue reversing. Okay, that's good. Put the car back in drive. We're gonna pull up next to the bush up on the right side there. We're gonna run through the actual test. So pull straight up on the right side. I'll tell you where to stop. Alright, stop here. Alright, cool. So here they're gonna tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up 20 miles per hour. Push it down. And stop. Okay, that's cool. Alright, reverse, straight back. Look behind. And reverse until I say stop.
Are they going to tell me to stop too?
Yeah, stop here. They'll tell you when to stop. Alright, now we're going to go forward and do the 3-point turn. Go forward a little bit. Okay, stop right here. Signal left. All the way left. Turn the wheel all the way to the left. And then you're going to stop. Put the car back in reverse. Turn all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder in reverse. When your mirror gets into the middle of the space, is when you're going to stop. A little bit more. See that little black line? That's good. Put it back in drive. Signal left. Signal left. If you don't signal, you're losing 2 points for that, right? So make sure you signal. I come to this little stop sign here, and you're gonna make a right turn. So stop here. 1, stop completely. 1, 2, 3, and then go ahead and make your right turn. Stay close to the right side. And we're gonna make a right turn past this big tree that's sticking out. So now we're going to park. Okay. Stay close to the right side. And you're gonna pull up here and line up your mirror with the cone on the left side. The 2 cones on the left side. Alright, signal left. Turn all the way left. And then roll into the parking space. As soon as you pass this cone on the right side, you straighten up. Go slower, right? And then straighten the wheel. Straighten the wheel. Go straight in. And that is cool. Stop there. Put the car in reverse. We're gonna roll straight back. And this time we're going to the right. So you're gonna, when your mirror past the cone, you're gonna turn all the way to the left. Look both ways here. As soon as you pass, you're turning all the way left. Turn the wheel all the way left. And then look behind. And here you have this little stop sign right here. Back up a little bit more. The stop sign is literally right here. Alright, that's good. Stop. So if you come out of the space and don't pay attention, then you'll mess up on the stop sign. So make sure you stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Straighten the wheel. And just roll straight up. Stay in the right lane. Go around this corner. Straighten it. And turn left again. And complete stop. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Make a right and then make a right again quickly. Remember, don't drive over this yellow thing on the lines here. Right. So we're gonna come up to the stop sign. You're gonna stop at the line. Stop completely. And then you're gonna creep out to where you can actually see, you know, when it's clear. So go up some more. Stop here and you wait. When it's completely clear, then you pull out.
Go white. Oh, is he letting me go? He is. Thank you.
Okay. Let's go back to the right lane. And then you're making a right turn. So the light's green, so you just go ahead and make your right turn. Do it slow though, don't hit that curve. If you hit the curb anytime during the test, you fail in the test. Just know that. So make sure you don't hit the curb. So now we're just going back in the plaza. So you see we're on the road for literally like less than a minute. Mm-hmm. All right, so go down and signal right and turn back into the plaza. And it's starting to rain. And I hope it doesn't rain hard, because if it does, they're not doing the driving test. Yep. They don't do driving tests in the rain. That would really suck. After you stayed out here all night. Yeah, that would be ridiculous. Alright. Let's see. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your right turn. To the stop sign and make a right turn. Alright, go ahead. Straighten up, pull straight into the parking space. Alright, stop there.
Stop right here?
Yeah, put it in park. You can pull up a little bit more. Alright, put it in park. Alright, so how you think you did?
Actually good. I just gotta remember my signals and the complete stopping at the stop sign.
Yeah, that's important.
Remembering when I park about, you know,
Lining up the mirror.
Mm-hmm, with the cones.
In other words, you gotta remember everything we just practiced.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, she did good. I feel like she'll pass the test with no problem. So, yeah, she's gonna go join the line like right now. Tell the people to subscribe, please.
Subscribe, don't forget.
Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.